Hello everyone, I am Andre McClintock and today I bring you Kittycoin. I will be covering 3 simple things about this crypto, some basic information, where to find the news, and also a price prediction. Let's begin. We're on Kittycoin, we're on CoinMarketCap, and this is Kittycoin right here. It is trading with, I think, about 9 zeros, 1802. Very small amount, but this chart is absolutely insane. But the reason why I'm sharing Kittycoin, because I've been seeing everything about Dogecoin, Shiba Inu coin, everything dog related. So today I bring you something cat related. You know, to throw you guys off a little twist. This cryptocurrency is very, very new. And its trading volume is at 329,000, so it's relatively small. And its chart is young. So guys, if you guys can get a part of this thing is a new cryptocurrency, so there is that risk in dealing with the meme coin. But what is it? So Kittycoin is a community-led project that is adorable and affordable for everyone. Built on the Polygon to be transaction-free, cost-effective, Kittycoin's mission is to bring the fun community of owned tokens to the Polygon network while providing a strong utility that is including farming, NFTs, and some charity elements along the way. So since they're new, they're coming out with some new things. You have to check their social media, which I will show you for the thing. If you guys are looking at buying this cryptocurrency, there's markets are on QuickSwap, so yeah, check it out there. Or you guys can go to their website, go to kittycoin.cat. Oh wow, how to buy Kittycoin. So there's a step-by-step 4 steps on how to buy Kittycoin. So if you're interested in buying this cryptocurrency, check the link below. His right here. We'll look at their Twitter page. Now I was scrolling through their Twitter. It's pretty funny. They got a little bit over 1,000 followers, so you know there is a new cryptocurrency. So some of their gifts are pretty funny. But other than that, guys, let's check out some other social medias to find. This is also, you can find some information and news about them. I'll go to kittycoin.medium.com. You can find more things about it. So this is where you guys can find some of the news and some of the information about Kittycoin, how much of their supply is. So we're on CoinMarketCap. This chart, you know, if you look at it, how much it started out, we're talking about maybe like 10 zeros. And 852 where it started out back on November 1st. So it is extremely, extremely small. Rocketed up and like bottomed down. So for me, guys, an easy price analysis for this will probably be, oh my god, like if it starts going at its current rate, we can probably go for an easy double. So we're sitting at right here, 1 2, so we're probably looking at 3 6, that many zeros, and 3 6. So if you're looking at interested in buying this cryptocurrency, understand it is a meme coin. It is probably going to be extremely volatile. It may go up in value, maybe go down in value, but the utilities that are trying to give for this cryptocurrency are still being built. So understand that. Meme coin, understand that. There's a lot of risk. So other than that, guys, all I want you guys to do after this, guys, please check out my website, andrejmcclinton.com. So here's my website, guys. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, stocks, Forex, and the main markets I trade, I can have one-on-one sessions, one-on-one meetings. Also, I can help you learn how to program. If you're looking at learning how to program MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. But thank you guys for making it in. That's the video, guys. Have a wonderful day.